Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss practicum number 5 threads in OS. This practicum focuses on understanding how threads work in C programming, especially how to create, execute, pass values and return results using threads. Threads helps in performing multiple tasks simultaneously inside a program, which im- improves performance and efficiency. The program one is single thread creation. In the program, a simple thread is created using a POSIX thread library in C. The program defines a thread function that prints a message. In the main function, ph create function is used to start the thread, and read join function uh, uses that the thread wants until the created thread finishes execution. This program demonstrates the basic structures of thread creation and execution in the OS. Practicum 2. Main thread and the child thread. In the second program, the main thread first prints a message and then creates a child thread. The child thread prints next message which is executed. Both threads run within the same process and share memory, but they execute independently. The ph thread join function is used to synchronize them. This program helps in understanding how multiple threads can exist in a single process and executes concurrently. Next, Practicum 3. The third program, two separate threads are created using ph thread. Each thread has its own function and prints a message uh, indicating it has executed. The main thread waits for both threads using ph thread join function. Since both threads run concurrently, the output order may change each time the program runs. This program clearly demonstrates how multi-threading and parallel execution within a process. The next program, the fourth program explains the passing value through the thread. The main thread creates an values integer values and passes its address to the thread during creation. The thread function receives the argument as a void type, which is then typecast back to the appropriate data type before being used. The thread prints the received value. This program demonstrates how data can be passed from the main thread to the child thread, showing basic communication between threads. In the last program, fifth one, explains that uh, returning value from the thread. The thread performs a calculation and returns the result to the main thread. The thread uses ph thread underscore exit function to send the result, and the main thread receives it through ph read underscore join function. This program demonstrates two-way communication between threads and shows how a thread can produce and return a result to their main function. It also highlights synchronization between threads and concludes that Practicum explains us how threads work inside an OS and how they improve program efficiency by performing tasks simultaneously. By practicing these programs, we gain a strong foundation in multi-threading concepts, which are very important in real-world applications like web servers, apps, and system software. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.